Assalamualaikum and good morning. So my name is Ada Luqman bin Herman, and my teammates is Muhammad Afiq and Muhammad Alif Najmi. So we are from the MK4B. So today we're going to talk about safety in laboratory. So to our first slide is introduction. Our group have chosen academic block for this assignment. We focus on robotic laboratory at third floor. This section is important because students always perform practical using robot arm. So our objective is to identify all hazards related with conventional robot arm, determine any environment risks related with laboratory situation, evaluate the availability of emergency response plan and equipment such as fire extinguisher or first aid supply. So our methodology is hazard identification to risk control, and we will review it. So hazard identification, inspection and observation, assessing the situation in the lab, interview with the student or our lecturer. So next, I'm going to pass to Muhammad Afiq to talk about the next slide. Thank you.
Okay, thanks to Ada Luqman for let me explain about the next slide. So the next hazard is electrical hazard. From what we can see in the slide, there is a messy wiring electrical. So the student or lecturer might get fall injury because their leg gets stuck. The worst thing is they can get electric shock. The next hazard is falling object. So in this case, there is some damage the ceiling of the object. So that might get fall at any time, and a student or lecturer can get injury because the ceiling hit their head. The next the third is related to personal protective equipment (PPE). So in this case, some students still don't want to follow guide or SOP when they are entering the lab. For example, they're not wearing safety shoes when operating a robot arm. So the robot arm might fall to their leg, and from that their leg can get broken. The third is collision hazard. From what we can see, this robot arm does not have a sensor to sense human nearby, so student might get injury from robot arm because too close with it. So in this case, robot and student might have a working space, so that can avoid injury from student get hit. The next slide, I will proceed to Alif Najmi.
Sleeping hazard. In this situation, this lab have some water leakage after rain. So the floor quite slippery, and its student might get injury from falling or electric shock cause it nearby AC supply. Recommendation and review. After make some inspection of the lab, here are some control measure to eliminate or to reduce the hazard. Elimination and substitution is a suitable method to control the hazard. Suggestion to reduce a hazard: perform some maintenance in the laboratory to prevent water leak. To prevent accident, make sure the robot arm and student have a workspace. Third is make sure that all electrical wires are neatly tucked away or concealed to avoid student falling or receiving an electric shock. Continually review the work practice, ensure the hazard correction procedure are in place, ensure that everyone know how safety work produce are, and last one is ensure the everyone understand first aid in case of an emergency.